For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Rabbit farming can be a highly profitable venture if done with proper planning and execution. With growing demand for rabbit meat, fur, and as pets, the industry has become an attractive option for small-scale farmers and entrepreneurs alike. Starting a rabbit farm today doesn't require massive capital, and by leveraging free artificial intelligence tools, you can gain a competitive edge with minimal cost. This guide walks you through a detailed step-by-step process of launching your rabbit farming business using free AI tools to streamline planning, branding, marketing, and operations. Step 1. Research the rabbit farming industry. Begin by gaining a deep understanding of the rabbit farming business, including local market demand, types of rabbits, meat breeds like New Zealand white or Californian, fur breeds or pet breeds, and regulations in your region. You can use ChatGPT to collect and summarize information on rabbit breeds, diseases, housing, feeding, and breeding cycles. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT. Function: summarizing technical content, answering questions, and helping gather facts. Suggested prompt: give me a summary of the most profitable rabbit breeds and their pros and cons for commercial farming. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan provides direction and helps secure future funding or partnerships. Use ChatGPT to generate a professional business plan tailored to rabbit farming. Include an executive summary, market analysis, operational plan, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT. Function: generating structured business documents. Suggested prompt: create a full business plan for a small-scale rabbit farming business in your location, including startup costs, market analysis, and income projections. Step 3. Design the farm layout. The layout of your rabbit farm, is critical to the health and productivity of the rabbits. Use AI-powered diagramming tools like Draw.io to plan out cages, hutches, water lines, and ventilation systems. You can ask ChatGPT to help you design efficient layouts and explain ideal spacing and materials. Suggested prompt: what is the ideal layout for a 50-rabbit commercial farm, and how should I arrange cages and feeding systems? Suggested AI tool. Draw.io. Function: creating farm layout diagrams for hutches and infrastructure. Step 4. Plan housing, feeding, and breeding systems. Rabbit housing must be clean, well-ventilated, and safe from predators. Feeding systems should be consistent and nutritionally balanced. Breeding cycles must be well managed to optimize growth and reduce mortality. You can use ChatGPT to create schedules, feeding charts, and breeding logs. Suggested prompt: create a monthly breeding and feeding schedule for 10 female rabbits and 2 males for meat production. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT plus Google Sheets. Function: scheduling and record-keeping templates. Step 5. Calculate startup costs and forecast profits. Use free spreadsheet software like Google Sheets to build financial models for your business. Ask ChatGPT to help generate cost breakdowns for infrastructure, rabbits, feed, labor, and veterinary care. AI tools can also help estimate returns and break-even timelines. Suggested AI tool. ChatGPT plus Google Sheets. Function: financial modeling and forecasting. Suggested prompt: estimate the startup cost and monthly operational cost for a rabbit farm with 100 rabbits and project monthly profits for the first year. Step 6. Register the business and meet legal requirements. Every agricultural business must comply with local regulations. Use ChatGPT to understand the required licenses, animal welfare laws, zoning restrictions, and health standards in your area. While it can't file paperwork, it can guide you through the process and direct you to the correct agencies. Suggested prompt: what licenses and permits do I need to start a rabbit farm in your city/state? Step 7. Develop a brand and marketing strategy. Creating a brand is essential for building recognition. Use Canva's free AI-powered tools to generate a logo, packaging, and social media templates. Then, use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan that targets meat markets, restaurants, pet stores, or fur manufacturers. Suggested AI tools: Canva AI, logo and visual design; ChatGPT, marketing plan creation, ad copy, email marketing. Suggested prompt: create a full marketing plan for a rabbit farming business targeting local restaurants and meat shops. Step 8. Launch a website and online presence. In today's world, every business needs an online presence. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress with AI assistants that help generate content automatically. ChatGPT can assist with writing your about page, product descriptions, blog posts, and even handling FAQs. Suggested AI tool: Wix or WordPress plus ChatGPT. Function: web content writing and online brand creation. Suggested prompt: write a homepage introduction and product listing for a rabbit meat farm selling directly to consumers. Step 9. Plan customer outreach and sales channels. Determine how you'll sell your rabbits, whether through local markets, online platforms, or direct to consumer. Use ChatGPT to craft outreach emails, SMS campaigns, or scripts for cold calling restaurants or pet shops. You can also use AI to create a pitch deck if you plan to approach investors or partners. Suggested prompt: write a short sales pitch email to a local restaurant owner introducing my farm's rabbit meat supply. Step 10. Implement record keeping and farm management. Good records are key to managing health, reproduction, expenses, and profits. Use Google Sheets to create logs for health checkups, breeding dates, feed consumption, and sales. ChatGPT can generate templates and formulas to automate alerts or summaries. Suggested prompt: create a template to track rabbit births, breed, vaccinations, and sales using Google Sheets. Step 11. Troubleshoot and scale the business. As your farm grows, you will face challenges like disease outbreaks, supply disruptions, or marketing failures. Use ChatGPT as a virtual advisor to troubleshoot issues or get ideas for scaling. It can simulate what-if scenarios and offer solutions based on your data and inputs. Suggested prompt: how can I scale my rabbit farm from 100 to 500 rabbits in 1 year while keeping costs under control? That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.